Unleash creativity with Muro Box. Are you tired of the same old tune playing on repeat from your music box? Say hello to Muro Box, the world's first app-controlled music box that never gets dull. Taiwanese developers put their engineering prowess to work, crafting a box that preserves its mechanical charm while playing almost any song. Thanks to its patented cylinder equipped with adaptable pins, this box opens doors to endless melodies. With the mobile app, you're not just a listener, you're a composer, creating your own tunes and sharing them instantly. Plus, waking up to Muro Box of melodies beats any smartphone alarm hands down. TinyScreen, gaming powerhouse in your palm. Tiny Circuits, known for their incredible small-scale devices, introduces Pocket Arcade, a gaming console that fits snugly in your hand. Don't be fooled by its size. This powerhouse boasts a 32-bit ARM processor and a vibrant OLED screen, allowing you to play pre-installed games and expand your collection with additional free downloads. But that's not all. This modular wonder allows for endless customization. Add GPS, Wi-Fi, or combine multiple TinyScreen displays into one for an unmatched gaming experience. Revolutionary precision, digital rolling ruler. Architects, designers, and fashion aficionados rejoice. The digital rolling ruler has arrived, redefining precision measurement. Effortlessly measuring length on any surface, this sleek device eradicates complex calculations. Simply roll it over an object and voila! Instant length displayed on a crisp OLED screen. Neither radius or diameter, a click away. Its aluminum alloy casing and high-accuracy roller ensure flawless measurements every time. Hushme. Privacy at your lips. For office goers, gamers, and entrepreneurs seeking privacy during calls, Hushme is your shield. Slip it on, and your conversations remain confidential even to those nearby. Crafted with unique insulation materials and a sensitive microphone, it ensures crystal clear sound without compromising privacy. Its removable, hypoallergenic mouthpiece adds convenience, doubling as a headset with extended usage. Divoom Timoo, pixel-perfect entertainment. Dive into the extraordinary with Divoom Timoo. Beyond being a powerful portable speaker system, Timoo dazzles with a 6-watt full-range speaker and Bluetooth 5.0 for crystal-clear sound. But its standout feature? A display screen boasting 256 LEDs that showcase pixel graphics and animations. From playing your playlist to visualizing social media notifications and weather forecasts, Timoo elevates your audio-visual experience like never before. Officizer FR, your desk's active companion. Tired of the sedentary desk life? Meet Officizer FR, your gateway to an active workday without leaving your desk. This innovative device offers various models, from simulating walking to biking, skating, or even massaging pads. Not only does it curb boredom and enhance focus, but it also promotes better blood flow and posture. Compact, adjustable, and compatible with fitness trackers, it's your ticket to a healthier work routine. Gululu, encouraging hydration through play. Motivating kids to drink water just got fun with Gululu. This dust-proof bottle doubles as a smart toy, gamifying hydration goals for children. By achieving daily targets, kids embark on virtual adventures and nurture their digital pets, all while staying hydrated. With over 200 phrases and interactive features, Gululu makes drinking water an exciting part of a child's day.